Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. So by the title below, you guys already know that I'm back with another wig review, and this time around we are working with Alipearl. So Alipearl sent me this beautiful unit and we are gonna install it together. So the packaging looks like this. When we open the box, this is what we are greeted with, the unit. But let us rest it to the side and check out all the goodies that they sent. A wig cap, edge brush, a satin scrunchie, melting band, some tape and a rubber band. This looks to me like a scarf. Yep, very cute. And a satin bag to store the wig in. Let us get into the unit. So it's their 16-inch pre-cut boho curly 13 by 6 bob wig, and this is what it's looking like. Straight out the packaging, very bouncy and full. Also it's 250 density, so it's 16 inches, 250 density. The wig cap size is large. Let me just show you guys that. So this is what it is looking like. It came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut. It comes with some baby hair at the front and these beautiful knotless braids. Cute. I've never tried a wig like this before, so this is gonna be fun. This is all the space you get to work with, but it's braided, as you guys can see. And the construction of the wig looks like this. So it comes with 3 combs, so one at each side, one to the back, this anti-slip adjustable band, and these adjustable straps at the back. So what I'm going to do is, so my hair is already braided, I'm going to slick down my edges just for a cleaner installation. So let us do that. Now that the edges are slicked back, I'm going to pop on one of these wig cap that they sent to me. Can you guys tell that I'm a little bit nervous because I've never tried anything like this before? Alright, so wig cap is secured. I'm going to add some foundation to the wig cap and to the lace of the wig. So I'm going to apply it to the entire front area because the wig is a 13 by 6. And you guys know that I love braids. So I am going to love this. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like. So let me just use the comb and pull out the baby ear. Okay, what was I worried about? It's definitely different, but it's cute. And then it's very bouncy and full. Love it. Love, love, love it. Okay, so what we are going to do now is to secure the straps just for it to feel more snugged on my head. So let me just pull this side down and this side as well, and then adjust the straps in the back. So now that I adjusted the wig on my head, I'm going to tame these baby hair before I start to melt it down, because they are all over the place. So what I'm doing is to flat iron them upward until I'm ready to slick them down. Looks a little bit crazy now, but trust the process.
I really coming. Time is up to guess that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body.
I might cut some of the baby ear off, I'm not sure. Let us see. Alrighty, let us allow that to melt, and we are gonna work on the curls. So just a little mousse and water, that's it. So let us remove this melting bun. Okay, not bad. It looks like it's braided from my scalp, right? You see that? Nice. So we're gonna work on these baby here.
I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chances to chance. I love you can't stand, and I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope you ain't lying, 'cause only the thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman.
I love it. I really love it. This is definitely different, but it's very cute. Look at this. So beautiful. I love it. Yeah, let me show you guys the back. I did that, but let me not take all the credit because this unit was so easy to work with. It came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut. As you guys can see, the baby hairs were already cut out, and it's beautiful. The braids are very neat. And you know, you can definitely style it to your liking, but I'm loving it like this. I'm not even gonna do anything else to it. Guys, comment in the comment section and let me know if you guys like it and how did I do with this install. I love this unit. It was so easy to work with. The curls are juicy and bouncy. The hair is full. When it's dried, it's gonna look very big. Don't worry about it, guys. It's because I sprayed too much water and add a little bit too much mousse, but it's their 13x6 boho curly bob wig. All the information to this beautiful unit will be in my description box, so click the link down below and check them out. Thank you Alipearl for sponsoring today's video. Bye guys.